Vic LaPlaca here with MarineMax, Sailandski in San Antonio. We are standing here today in front of this beautiful 240 Sea Ray Sundeck. It's got the 6.2 Merc Cruiser Bravo 3 lower unit, twin prop, trim tabs on the rear. This customer went ahead, has had some audio work and other accessories installed by Hydro Tunes. Wet sounds tower speakers up on top. Fresh water wash down here on the starboard side of the back side of the boat. Nice boarding ladder to help make it easy getting in and out of the boat when in the water. Comes with the tandem axle trailer. Nice aluminum Magnum trailer. Customer went ahead and installed some of the padded grip on the front of the trailer and on the top of the jack and the bow stand here to help board the front of the boat from the trailer. Also comes with the spare tire. It's a beautiful boat, as you can see. It's been taken very good care of. No serious fiberglass damage. Decals are all intact. The hull of the boat underneath, for the most part, has no significant scratches or abusive marks. As we focus our attention here on the bow of the boat, we do have a nice boarding ladder, 3 steps, anchor nav lights, tinted windshield. Focusing our attention on the bow of this beautiful 240 Sea Ray Sundeck, you'll see the seating is very nice, roomy. We have bow speakers, a little freshwater wash down, little storage compartment with the drain. This boat does have full snap-in carpet, no stains, very clean, well taken care of. There is a table base in the bow for a bow table, located right on top of the small ski locker up in the front of the boat. Plenty of storage underneath the front seating. Down there, as you can see, the starboard material is what they use to fill in the bow section here. That makes for a great sun pad for lounging out, sunbathing. Courtesy lighting throughout the boat. This boat does have the center walk-through window latch. As you can see there, the windshield is tinted on this boat, so it gives it that nice sporty midnight look to it. Also have the wind dam there, in case you're out on a fall afternoon with a little bit of wind. Keep you a little bit warmer inside the cockpit of the vessel. This boat does have a larger secondary ski locker. Customer keeps some of the cover poles, throw cushions. It does run a lot more forward towards the bow. This boat does have a nice little head area. Inside here we do have the bow filler cushion, as you can see. Little porta potty, it's plumbed in to the waste tank. Little sink, the mirror, little cabinet storage down below. Does have a little lock, so if you dock somewhere for dinner or lunch, you can lock it up, put your valuables in there. Behind the wind dam door, we do have the head unit to the stereo along with the key for the boat, on, off. Located down below are going to be the table bases. And as you can see, this customer did have a lot of work done at audio source. They have their kicker amplifiers with auxiliary fans on top of them to keep them cool to power this killer kicker stereo. Alongside to it is going to be the kicker subwoofer. Focusing our attention at the helm, we do have the nice wood grain accent around the gauges and all the toggle switches. Miles per hour, RPMs. In that little digital section there, you can hit the mode button and it'll show water temperature, hours of the vessel, all sorts of different things. Remote stereo right here, along with your main gauges, trim, fuel, oil pressure, engine temperature. Very elaborate wet sounds, audio adjustable dial down here. From everything from your highs to your mids to your bass. Subwoofer, very nice. This boat does have kicker speakers throughout the cockpit of the boat, as you can see. No major wear or tear on the upholstery on the inside. We do have the thigh bolsters on both captain's chairs in the front. No wear underneath. No stains on the carpet. This is a beautiful 2008, very well taken care of, as you can see. No rips in the piping on the upholstery. Underneath, we have more storage. Carpet line storage for life jackets, anything you don't want really dinged up. Located down here in this compartment is going to be the Mini Coda onboard charger. It's a nice add-on. Keep your batteries charged up. Located in this back compartment, we're going to have our 3 AMG marine batteries hooked up to our battery switch down there. 4-way switch, 1, 2, and 1+2, so both, and then the off position. Very convenient when tied up in a cove and you just want to listen to music and not worry about draining your one battery to help crank the engine. This boat is equipped with a Merc Cruiser 377. Very nice, very clean. The bilge, no stains. On the far starboard side over there, you can see the fresh water tank. So you can fill that up at any dock and have fresh water on board. Of course, one of the purposes would be for this sink. There's a little cover on it, so in case you want to clean up after the midday lunch or dinner on the boat. Down below in the compartments, we're going to have our trash can storage space between both our tables. One for the bow and one for the back. You can see one of them's never been used, still in the factory wrapping. More courtesy lighting throughout the walkway. 12-volt plug to use on any blower, air pump, blowing up tubes of whatever sort. This customer had the walkway and the back swim platform lined with black non-skid. Very nice upgrade. When it gets wet, you won't slip. Transom remote, transom tilt and trim. Integrated bimini and tower, so you're not only left with one or the other. Wet sound tower speakers, no cracking, very good condition. Just a real beautiful boat for a 2008. This boat only has 295 hours for its year. That is outstanding. If you have any questions regarding this boat or any other boat in our inventory, please feel free to contact me at 210-301-2507. My name is Vic LaPlaca. Or feel free to drop on by one of our 3 stores, San Antonio, Lakeway, or Austin. Thank you for coming on this walkthrough. Y'all have a great evening.